Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm going to be walking you through the process to bulk upload data to the Chesapeake Data Explorer. This is the most efficient way to add large amounts of data to the system with one file. This function requires a username and password, and for your account to be set as a coordinator for your group. Before we get started, this video will not cover the data translation process to convert data to the vertical template. This tutorial assumes the data is already in the vertical template format with the correct station ID codes and parameter codes for your group and is saved as a CSV file on your computer. As a coordinator for your group, you can work with the CMC service provider to ensure your file contains the right codes and is in the proper format before getting started. So once you have your bulk file all set up and ready to go, you're going to need to log into your Chesapeake Data Explorer account and navigate to the admin page of the Data Explorer. From here, we'll click the Data tab and Upload Water Quality, and then click the Bulk File button to take us to the bulk file upload page. On here, you'll notice that there's a button to download the bulk samples template if you need it as a reference. You can also access the Data Explorer User's Manual from this page as well. So if you have any questions about the process, you can look in the User's Manual, and this also contains a list of errors and potential solutions, which would be helpful during the data upload process if you come up with any errors. So when you're ready to upload data, we're going to go over here and click the Choose File button. And you will navigate to your CSV file somewhere on your computer and click Open. You'll see the file will be shown here next to the Choose File button. And then when you're ready, you can click Save. If your data upload is successful, you will get this green box that shows up in the lower right-hand corner of the screen that says Added Samples. This may take a few minutes if you have a really large file with a lot of data points. So once your data are successfully uploaded, you'll need to go to the Edit and Review page in order to publish this data for it to be publicly accessible on the home page. However, it is likely when you click Save, you will get a warning or error message with your file. So we'll go through those now. Once you click Save, if you have any values that fall outside of the range checks for any given parameter in the Data Explorer, you will get this warning message that appears in this yellow box on the page. This yellow box will indicate the row of the data in question and tell you if it's above or below the range for that parameter. So you can check the data on your file, and if the value is accurate, you can click the Proceed with Upload button in order to save that data and upload it into the Data Explorer. However, if you check your data and see that there is a typo, you can click the Cancel button and none of your data will be uploaded. So you'll need to make the change on your Excel file and then choose that file again to upload. Again, when you click Save, you'll get that green box that shows up in the lower right-hand corner of your screen when the upload is successful. If there is an error with your file or data, once you click Save, the Data Explorer will return this list of errors in red, detailing what the issue is and the row that it applies to. These errors cannot be accepted by the Data Explorer and will need to be fixed before data can be uploaded. Most common errors include that the date and time is in an incorrect format, shown here in the first 3 examples, or a station condition does not match the actual value in the Data Explorer. Some other common issues are a site ID is not found, or the sampling event is already uploaded to the Data Explorer. Again, all of these issues have to be solved and fixed on your Excel spreadsheet before it can be re-uploaded to the system. So you can click Cancel, and when you have a new file, choose your file, open it, and click Save. Again, when your sample is uploaded, you'll get this green box in the lower right-hand corner. One important additional note about these warnings and errors is that you will not receive a warning or error if the parameter codes you include in your dataset do not match the codes assigned to your group. So again, be sure to double check your parameter codes are correct with your CMC service provider before uploading data. The data upload process is a two-step process, so once you have the data uploaded successfully into the system, you will need to go to the Edit and Review page to publish the data before it is publicly accessible on the home page. You can watch the Edit and Review data video for more information on how to publish your data. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos to learn about additional functionality of the database.